A warm welcome to you all. In this video, I am explaining about 1 mark and 2 marks questions in the chapter number 3, that is the ancient civilizations. Chapter number 3, the ancient civilizations. So the part 1, answer in word or one sentence. Each carries 1 mark. So 1 mark questions. The question number 1, on which river bank did the Egyptian civilization develop? On which river bank did the Egyptian civilization develop? On the river bank of Nile River, the Egyptian civilization developed. The Egyptian civilization was developed on the river bank of Nile. So the answer is Nile River. Second one, what is the Egyptian writing called as? What is the Egyptian writing called as? The Egyptian writing is called as hieroglyphics. So the answer is hieroglyphics. The Egyptian writing is called as hieroglyphics. Then the third one, who is the first women empress of the world? Who is regarded as the first women empress of the world? The answer is Hatshepsut. Queen Hatshepsut was regarded as the first women empress of the world. So the answer is Hatshepsut. Then question number 4. Why did Egyptians preserve the dead bodies of their kings? Why did Egyptians preserve the dead bodies of their kings? The Egyptians preserved the dead bodies of their kings because they believed in the transmigration of souls. They believed in the transmigration of souls, therefore they preserved the dead bodies of their king. Question number 5. Which is the biggest pyramid in the world? Which is the biggest pyramid in the world? The Pyramid of Giza is considered as the biggest pyramid in the world. The Pyramid of Giza is the biggest pyramid in the world. So the answer is the Pyramid of Giza. Question number 6. What is the meaning of Mesopotamia? What is the meaning of Mesopotamia? The meaning of the term Mesopotamia is the land between two rivers. The land between the two rivers is called as Mesopotamia. The word Mesopotamia is derived from Greek word. It means the land between the two rivers. Then question number 7. Who built the Hanging Garden? Who built the Hanging Garden? The Hanging Garden of Mesopotamia was built by Nebuchadnezzar. It is built by Nebuchadnezzar. So the answer is Nebuchadnezzar. It is in Babylon. It was in Babylonia. Question number 8. What is a ziggurat? What is a ziggurat? The temples with the tall towers of Mesopotamia is called as ziggurat. So the ziggurat means the temples with tall towers of Mesopotamia. So they are called as ziggurat. Then question number 9. Who was the greatest ruler of China? Who was the greatest ruler of China? Shi Huangdi. Shi Huangdi was the greatest ruler of China. Therefore, the answer is Shi Huangdi. Question number 10. Who was the proponent of Taoism? Who was the proponent of Taoism? Lao Tse was the proponent of Taoism. The answer is Lao Tse. Then question number 11. Who popularized Buddhism in China? Who popularized Buddhism in China? The Buddhist monks and traders of India, the Buddhist monks and traders of India popularized Buddhism in China. During the rule of Kanishka, he sent large number of Buddhist monks to China to popularize Buddhism. Therefore, the Buddhist monks and the Indian traders popularized Buddhism in China. Then part 2. Answer in 2 words or 2 sentences. Each carries 2 marks. So, the 2 marks questions. The first one, mention any 2 important inventions that helped the growth of civilizations. Mention any 2 important inventions that helped the growth of civilizations. There are many inventions helped the growth of civilizations. Following are the few important inventions. The first one, use of fire. Use of fire, rearing of animals, new weapons and tools, fishing nets, new means of transport, invention of wheels, agricultural fluff, etc. Use of fire, rearing of animals, new weapons and tools, fishing nets, new means of transport, invention of wheels, agricultural fluff, etc. are the important inventions responsible for the growth of civilization. Question number 2. Define civilization. Define civilization. Civilization broadly refers to more clearly defined human society. Civilization broadly refers to more clearly defined human society or more matured and refined form of life. More matured and refined form of life. Then question number 3. Name any 2 ancient civilizations. Name any 2 ancient civilizations. Egyptian civilization, Mesopotamian civilization, Indus civilization, Chinese civilization, the Greek civilizations, etc. There are many civilizations are there. Egyptian civilization, Mesopotamian, Indus, Chinese, Greek, Roman, Mayan, Incan, etc. Write any 2 among these civilizations. Then the fourth one, why are river valleys called the cradles of civilization? Why are river valleys called the cradles of civilization? The river valleys called the cradles of civilization because of the availability of rich soil, flat land, and plenty of water for drinking and irrigation. Therefore, the river valleys called the cradles of civilization. The availability of rich soil, flat land, and plenty of water for drinking and irrigation. The river valleys called as the cradles of civilization. Question number 5. Why is Egypt called the gift of Nile? Why is Egypt called as the gift of Nile? The river Nile provide plenty of food, fodder, and uninterrupted supply of water. It led to growth of Egyptian civilization. Therefore, Egypt is called as the gift of Nile. Because of the river Nile, Egypt got plenty of food, fodder, and uninterrupted supply of water. It led to the growth of Egyptian civilization. Therefore, Egypt is called as the gift of Nile. Question number 6. Name any 2 gods and goddesses of Egypt. Name any 2 gods and goddesses of Egypt. Amun-Ra, Ra, Osiris, Isis, then Horus, Hathor, and other important minor gods. So write any 2 among these gods and goddesses of Egypt. Amun-Ra, Ra, the sun god, Osiris, Isis, the minor gods like Horus, Hathor, etc. Then question number 7. Why is Mesopotamia called as the cradle and grave of civilization? Why is Mesopotamia is called as the cradle and grave of civilization? In Mesopotamia, from 3500 to 500 BCE, many civilizations developed and vanished. Therefore, Mesopotamia is called as the cradle and grave of civilization. From 3500 to 500 BCE, many civilizations developed and vanished. Therefore, the Mesopotamia is called as the cradle and grave of civilization. Next, question number 8. Write any two causes responsible for the decline of Mesopotamian civilization. Two important causes responsible for the decline of Mesopotamian civilization. There are three causes are responsible for Mesopotamian civilization. Write any two among them. The first one, weak and inefficient rulers. Weak and inefficient rulers struggle for succession. Struggle for succession between the local landlords and the rulers. Then third one, Persian invasions. The Persian invasions, weak and inefficient rulers struggle for succession, and the Persian invasions. Write any two. Question number 9. Name the river valley on which Chinese civilization flourished. Name the river valley on which Chinese civilization flourished. There are three river valleys are responsible for Chinese civilization: Huanghe, Yangtze, Siqiang. Huanghe, Yangtze, and Siqiang. Next, question number 10. Who built the Great Wall of China and why? Who built the Great Wall of China and why? Shi Huangti built the Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China was built by Shi Huangti. To protect China from the attacks of Huns and Mongols, to protect China from the attacks of Huns and Mongols, Shi Huangti built the Great Wall of China. Next, question number 11. Mention any two important scientific inventions of China. Mention any two important scientific inventions of Chinese. The first one, silk, tea, then ink, paper, abacus, glass, spoons, etc. Silk, tea, ink, paper, abacus, glass, spoons, gunpowder, compass, etc. Write any two among these. Then, question number 12. Name any two important philosophers of ancient China. Name any two important philosophers of ancient China. Lao Tse, Confucius, and Mencius. These are the three important philosophers of ancient China. Write any two. Lao Tse, Confucius, and Mencius. So here I stop my explanations relating to the questions and answers of chapter number 3, the history of ancient civilization. Dear students, don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell button for get more notifications. Thank you all.